Most designers are stuck on a certain skill level for a very long time. I mean, what's stopping you to progress from this to this in 10 days? Well, there is a couple of things stopping you, and one of them is proper guidance, but that's what I'm here for. You can go to Hype4.academy right now and practice your skills completely free with 12,000 other designers. There's 120 days worth of daily practice in there completely free. But before you do that, here are some updates of what we've added and what's coming to the platform very soon. We will soon be releasing an icon design challenge. Doing your own versions of popular icons is one of the best ways to grow on social media. Many designers have done this previously and have gotten jobs out of this. This challenge will be available to everyone, both the free and the pro users. 2 weeks ago, we added the feedback functionality for the pro users, and since then, we have given out over 2,000 comments for the pro community. That basically means that if you're a pro user, you're getting feedback on most of your projects every single day. And we started noticing that because of that feedback, those pro users grow extremely fast, and within 10 days, the skill growth is just insane. And as promised, on April 7th, the mobile app design course part 1 is coming to the pro plan. It's gonna be included in the subscription. We just launched that pro plan only information architecture challenge, and some of the submissions are so creative they practically blow my mind every time I see them. This challenge requires a lot of thinking and creative problem solving, which are the skills that are necessary for a successful designer. And because of these three things, we are shutting down the early bird pricing model on April 7th. Okay, what does it mean? Well, if you got it for $5 a month, you're gonna keep that price forever for as long as you're subscribed. But everybody else, all the new users, are gonna have a slightly higher price now. So after April 7th, the new price is gonna be $7 per month. In May, we're gonna add even more stuff to the platform, and then the price is gonna go to $9 and then $12, which is gonna be our final pricing for all the regular users. So basically, whatever time you start subscribing, you're gonna keep that price. There is a parity discount available as well. Right now, the pro users get feedback from us, me included. They get feedback from our Malevich AI bot. They get guided challenges, exclusive materials. There's gonna be that very first course included, and we're just getting started. We just passed 12,000 designers and 51,000 projects uploaded to the platform, and this is really amazing. Thank you. You can now follow other designers on the platform too. Just go to their profile, click on the follow button, and then in browsing designs, you're gonna have a For You tab, which basically just shows all of the work from the people you follow. This feature is available to all the users. But as a pro user, you can now also upload your resume, or CV as they say in Europe, to your profile and use it as your UI portfolio. Okay, so what's coming next? In the near future, there's gonna be a more advanced UI challenge for the pro users and a very useful skill to learn for all the users. And before the next price hike from $7 to $9, we'll also have a pretty big secret to share with you. How big? Well, how about 1,000 pages big? But shh, I can't really say anything else now. So just as we imagined, the pro plan is gonna be the best way to learn design through guided practice in the world, basically. Yeah. And just looking at your work every single day, it makes me extremely happy to see so much great stuff coming from the community. So yeah, I already have, but I hope you also have a pretty beautiful day. Cheers.